Today we talk about how can you disable access on your Truecaller app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on calls. So then you come to this list, just go down here. So you keep going down, you go down here, you come here to deal access, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here deal access disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.